The second largest website in the world after Google is YouTube, which is closely followed by other social networking sites. And you must learn how to use this website effectively if you want a reliable and relatively simple approach to make money. You undoubtedly need a trustworthy navigator to help you get through YouTube's deep waters. With the help of Tube Mastery and Monetization, you can learn how to create a YouTube channel and earn money online. Although there are a number of similar programs available today, Tube Mastery and Monetization is one of the most complete and all-around top choices. My experience has shown that Matt's training has addressed the key components of launching a YouTube channel. In short, Matt Parr will instruct you in 7 detailed training modules found inside Tube Mastery and Monetization on how to choose your niche, set up your YouTube channel, upload videos to grow your channel, monetize your videos, scale your income. You'll have the opportunity to meet Matt and learn about his personal success with YouTube during the first training module. Selecting your specialty is covered in the second module of Tube Mastery and Monetization. Matt will guide you through the procedure and assist you in conducting the market research correctly. Matt's 33 rule and content planning are covered in depth in the third module of the Tube Mastery and Monetization course. The fourth chapter should contain a section called Content Creation or something similar because this is where you will learn how to correctly build your films. Understanding YouTube analytics and the algorithm is covered in detail in the following lesson of the Tube Mastery and Monetization course. In the sixth lesson, Matt shows you how to earn more money than most YouTubers by monetizing your channel in a few different methods. Last but not least, the objective behind Tube Mastery and Monetization is to automate your channel by paying someone to produce the material. The major goal of Tube Mastery and Monetization is to demonstrate how to select a certain niche, produce material, and publish it to YouTube correctly in order to gain visibility and traffic. You can monetize your channel with advertisements and affiliate marketing after you start to receive traffic and rankings. The fact that Tube Mastery and Monetization is for anyone interested in creating a YouTube channel and earning money online should be obvious. I believe that both beginning and seasoned YouTubers can benefit from this course. You may find the link in the description below, and click and enroll the Tube Mastery and Monetization course, if you wish to have access to it.